Hey guys, how's it going? Here are the notes for the weekend. Again, don't complain because we haven't had notes in like a week and a half. So here we go. They're going to be on what are called linear patterns. Okay, they go on page 28 of your notebook. Okay, here we go. Here's our goal. Okay, whoops. Our goal is that after these notes and after our activity that we do, you're going to be able to write equations and make predictions based on linear patterns. Okay? We want to be able to write equations and then also make predictions based on the patterns that we see. Okay, linear functions. Remember, this stuff, dang it, this stuff is all in black. So you don't have to write it down unless you want to. But linear patterns, linear functions, okay, we study this for a lot of time here in Algebra 1. Okay? In fact, we spend most of the year on it. Now, when you see the word linear, hopefully you see that inside it there's the word line. Okay, that means that the equation is a straight line. Okay? This is linear, this is linear, this is linear, that's linear, that's linear. Those are all linear because they're straight lines, or at least they're supposed to be straight. A linear function is the equation of that straight line. Okay? The reason we look at them and the reason we like them is because they increase by the same amount every time. This is important right here. That is what makes it linear. Okay? And then we like them also because they are predictable and they follow the exact same formula. Every single linear function, every single linear pattern follows the same formula. So here we go. No, this video is definitely going to be longer than 3 minutes. Okay, this right here, oh shoot, I did it again. This right here is your linear function, your linear equation. Y equals mx plus b. Here are the notes. The big thing to realize is that when you have an equation, the m and the b are going to be numbers. Okay? They are not variables. The only variables in the equation are the y and the x. Okay, now m. In our equation, y equals mx. It's the number that tells us how the y value increases or decreases every time. Okay, so if my equation said y equals 4x plus 2, okay, I would know that my y values every single time are going to go up by 4. So if my first y was a 1, my next one would be a 5, then a 9. They're going up by 4 every time. Okay? Now, b is the number that the equation of the pattern starts with. Okay? What that means is, remember when we talked about graphs? All the graphs start somewhere here. Let me do a different color. Every graph starts somewhere here on the y-axis. Well, whatever this number b is, it tells you where it starts. So like it said up here, y equals 4x plus 2. The b is 2, so that means it's going to start at 2 somewhere right there. Okay? Another way of looking at it, it's the number that you have to add or subtract to get the output. Okay? Now, here are some keywords that mean slope. Okay, that mean m. Whoops. That mean m. Here are some words that mean b. Okay? When you see these words in a word problem, they are all talking about m. When you see these words in a word problem, they are talking about b. Next one. And so I lied. I thought this video was going to be 3 minutes. It turned out it's going to be closer to 6. Oh well, we can live. Now, this example problem. This is going to be a quiz on Monday. Okay? We are going to have a problem basically exactly like this on Monday. So hopefully you follow this one. The table to the right shows the relationship between the donuts I eat and the weight I gain. What is the equation? Okay, well, if I look Okay? I ate one more donut, and it went up 2. I ate one more donut, it went up 2. I ate one more donut, it went up 2. So for every one donut I eat, I go up 2 pounds. So 2 for every donut. That's the first part of my equation. Okay? Now, what I want to see is, what if I had 0 donuts? What did I start at? Because right here, this isn't what I started at. That's after I already ate 1 donut. So I go here. Remember, it changes by 2, so then that has to be 7. So then that means I started at 7. That's my equation. Now, if I ate 16 donuts, how much weight would I gain? Here's where a lot of you guys are going to take forever on the quiz. You're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way down to 16 to see the answer. I'm going to make it easier. That's donuts. That's donuts. So I'm going to say 2 times 16 plus 7. 2 times 16 is 32 plus 7 equals 39 pounds. That's chubby. I'm not going to eat 16 donuts. Now, if I gain 71 pounds, how many donuts did I eat? Well, remember, 2d plus 7 equals 71 pounds. This looks like an equation that we've solved a million times at the beginning of the year. Cross over the 7, it's going to be minus 7. I'm going to rewrite it on the right here. 2d equals 64. Divide by 2, divide by 2. D equals 32. So then my answer is I ate 32 donuts. Well, there we go. Hope you don't have any questions. If you do, we will talk about them on Monday. See you guys then. Hope you took this.